Good morning, guys. So this is an unboxing of accessories for my Tesla, and I'm super excited about this one because this one is actually a freebie from my channel. That's right, I got something for free because of this YouTube channel, and on top of that, I actually got this cool lanyard. So full disclosure, Pred and I are great friends now, and he got me he got me a lanyard and a cool Tesla pen. So these two reside in my car at the moment. I never really use lanyards, but so it's cool. So thumbs up to Pred and his work there. So doing amazing things, Pred. Thank you very much. We've also got this. All right, so this is a holder for your phone inside the car. So it comes in an express DHL packet. So that's fantastic. And inside it is this one. Now this says it's an easy clip car mount. Easy clip car mount made for make your life simple by Big Seed. Okay. Hasn't been opened. Oh wait, it has. My bad. So let's open it up. So inside of this, we've got. Oops. Alright, so that's the box. This is the car mount bit, and this is really unique because it actually uses your cup holders, and then this is the knobbly bit that the actual phone mount goes on. So that's that bit. And then we unwrap this bit. Very nice. Nice little bit of Vic Seed branding on there. Very nice. Lock open. So you twist it that way to open. Alright, so that just unwinds. That goes on there. You twist that on. So pretty intuitive. I haven't read in the instructions. It does come with instructions. Oh wow, and you get this little Vic Seed VIP club. Look at that. Vic Seed VIP club. Having issues? Fast solution. Actually quite like that, that's quite nice. All right. Vic Seed car mount, little instructions, overview, all that kind of jazz. It's pretty easy. So 1, straighten the long gooseneck. Straighten the long gooseneck, fantastic. Whoops. 2, unscrew the nut, so I've already done that. 3, let the ball joint pass through the fixed nut, I pretty much did that already. Put it in the cup holder and twist the knob on the base to fit the, okay, so this bit comes out. Cool, okay, so look at that. So it's got these things on the edge, can you see them? So these knobbly bits, and you can wind that and they come in or out, so then it's a really secure fit in your cup holder. Look at that, that's actually really smart, so I'm glad I read the instructions there. Adjust the angle of the long gooseneck to fit your view. All right, so you'll see, don't want to break that. Check that out, don't bend that. Using the press the release button to release clamp arms. All right, so the release button is that one, so, okay. Is that released? Slide in your cell phone and press the clamp arms with force to adjust the width. So phone going in, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Does that work pretty perfectly? Easy slide or press the release button to take out your cell phone. It's got a 12-month limited warranty, lifetime technical support. You've got to worry about yourself if you need technical support for this. That's amazing. All right, so I'll have to shoot a clip of this, how I'm using it in the car, and the positioning to see if it is actually better. I do actually see myself using this. It seems pretty steady, like the bass and stuff, that's pretty good. This bit here, I'd be a little bit worried about braking because it's a little bit bendy, but you know, you're not gonna bend it that way, so that's fantastic. It's really good, so I'd recommend it. But let me use it first, and then I'll make the recommendation. I think I'm just excited I got it for free, so I recommend it. All right, so that's my first one, the first freebie. So I'm very excited about that, very keen to give it a try, and that's amazing. So thank you very much for that. Let's pop this one to the side now, and we're gonna open up some more goodies. Now, this one I'm very excited by. This is a sticker that I got, and you can see my address there. 39 Old Perth Road. If you've got any freebies you want to send my way, please do. But I bought this because I'm super excited by the Cybertruck, the Tesla SuperCharger that is coming out. And I saw this sticker, and it's waiting for my Cybertruck with a really cool design. And I saw a picture of that on a car, and I love it. And then, as a bonus, it actually came with 2 little stickers I wasn't aware of, and was nearly going to chuck away the envelope because I didn't buy more stickers, so props to them. I'll post a link of where I got those. Can you see it? It's just the outlines. It's very minimalist, and I guess that suits the the Model 3. It's very minimalist interior. So I love that. Now the thing with stickers is with me, I don't think I can commit to sticking it on my car. My wife knew this, but I really like the design. So it's more just a memento of, I like the design. Probably not going to stick it on my car, but it's nice to have. So that one can go back in there. That's in there. Awesome. All right, so that's number 2. What else? Let's go this one. Now, this one I actually bought as the first thing. This is a screen protector for the tablet screen in the car, the kind of, you know, the main interface with your vehicle, with the Model 3. And I actually haven't used it, obviously, because it's still unboxing. I've had the car for about, probably, this is my 2nd month now. Haven't felt the urge to protect that area at all. The area that I would like to actually, not protect, but just cover, because it does, is that piano black finish to the center console. That would be very nice to get a wrap for. So if there's any wrap suppliers out there that want to review, fantastic, please send me through something for that. But let's open this up. So, and I've waited a long time to open this, by the way. So how can I, it's got cardboard on there, so it should be safe. Oh no, I guess I'll open it from up here. This is a very sharp knife. Oh, come on. Just don't want to damage it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Peel this in here. Slide it out. Slide it around. Boom, 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 boom. Protected glass, maximum clarity, ultra smooth protection, tempered glass. It works as a little bit of damage there. Oleophobic coating, delicate touch, light transmission rate of 99%. Tempered glass, surface hardness, preventing the screen bursting effectively. That's a bit weird. Tesla Model 3. Strongest shock resistance. Scratch resistance, ultimate shock absorption, precise dimensioning. Installation instructions, prepare, so clean it with a wipe cloth, remove dust and contaminants, peel off first protective layer, attach with a label, step 1, carefully place screen protector on the screen to complete the installation process. Cool, I'm excited to give it a shot. Let's actually open up and see what it looks like. So it's got these little protector, it's got these little protection tabs here. Come on. Good, that one, good, this one. Ta-da-da. Alright, so most of these come with this little cloth, this dust absorber, and wet wipes. 1, remove excess dirt, 2, dry. So 1 and 2, very cool. And then you got these guide stickers that can help you out, find out how to use those. And then this in here, look at that. Kind of does look a little bit, not dirty, but not fully transparent, so there's, you can see that 1%. Let's put it that way. But it might also just be this kind of film that's on it, so I'll give that a shot. Surely that's not tempered glass, because you wouldn't be able to make a wobble ball. That's pretty cool. I feel like Rob Harris. And he's another boy from Bassendean, but a bad boy from Bassendean, not a good boy. That's fantastic. All right, so that can go in here. That can go in there. I'll eventually get around to installing it, so stay tuned for part 2 of this unboxing where I actually use these accessories. So that's that, the glass protector, and then this. Now, these are gas struts with a bit of a spring to help the boot of your car open when you just push the button, because the car at the moment, and I've had it happen to me a few times, you kind of shut it and it doesn't actually latch, so then you're actually driving, and the only reason that you know the boot's open is because the car tells you boot open, and you're like, oh, I'm pretty confident I shut it. You didn't. This will make sure that you can't shut it fully unless you've shut it properly. I think I only bought them for the Frunk or the boot. I'm actually not sure now. It was a long time ago. I've just been keeping them in the study waiting for stuff because shipping has been delayed with the whole pandemic going around. So let's open this black package up. Very fancy packaging, as you can tell, hey? I don't know if the screen protector had the most packaging. Well, I guess it is a piece of plastic. So. Alright, so when you take her out, nothing else in there, so that can go there. Okay, so you got these. Okay, so there's 2, and then what's these ones? What's these? What do you say? SKUD. So that's some sort of. Oh, let's just open up and find out. It's a package within a package. So we got 1 strut. Man, they use a lot of light plastic here, don't they? Didn't they ever get the recycling line? Jeez, that. There we go. Alright, so 2 struts. Okay, it's too strong for me. Probably isn't saying much recently, but I promise I was a lot stronger in the past. And then this one, so maybe I did get front and back. So these ones, I assume, without the spring bit, are probably the front ones, and then these ones with this spring bit are probably the back. So it's just a strut. So that'll be cool to test out. It's really simple to install. I'll pop up the price somewhere just so you guys know how much I paid and where you can get them. And okay, so that's, I'm assuming that's the back one because it's got that big spring there, just to help her out. So it's pretty cool. And obviously there's two, so one for either side. That, and then this is what I assume this is the front one. Looks like, just zoom out. There you go, yes, there. That's pretty cool. All right, so I got struts, four struts, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got my Cybertruck sticker. I've got my Tesla lanyard and pin. Here we go. Oh, I have to do it like that. And I've got my thumb mount. Now, you might be wondering, what is this last box over here? Ooh, you guys with sharp eyes. Now, this is a receiver for your PlayStation or Xbox controller that actually slots into the car and can connect up with them. So it's got this communication thing. Now, the reason I'm not showing you this fully today, because I actually did show it to you when the car was delivered. It's just, you know, USB plug that plugs in, and then this is a Bluetooth receiver, I'm assuming, for the controllers that talks to the car. Now, the reason I'm not showing this off fully is because it didn't work for me. But to be fair, I've literally only tried it when the guy delivered the car. I haven't tried it since. My PlayStation controllers are synced to my PlayStation, and I've ordered a controller to work with this, hopefully. So we'll find out when that arrives, so stay tuned for part 2. But thank you so much for staying tuned for this unboxing video of my accessories for my Tesla Model 3 to date. If you're interested in any of these accessories, I'll have the details in the description below for you. And stay tuned for part 2, where I test out the phone mount. That one might do a giveaway soon for that. I've got the car struts, I've got the protector, so I'll definitely test out these 3 things, and then when the controller for the PlayStation does eventually arrive, then I'll give this one a good go. The other things I'm waiting on, if I can find out, there's some more accessories I'm still waiting for them to arrive from China, and we'll see what happens there. So thank you very much. If you're looking at buying a Tesla Model 3, please do use my SuperCharger code, referral code, because then you get 1,000 kilometers or 1,000 miles, depending on where you're from, of charging miles. And what else? Oh, like the video, comment, talk to me. If you want to send me free stuff, let me know. Always open to that. Thank you very much, guys. Oh, and to the 50 subscribers, thank you so much.